Hi there, I'm Oluwakemi. I create educational videos for both students and teachers, as well as some other helpful do-it-yourself videos. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please leave a comment below, share and like, and please do click on the red subscription button. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and be educated. Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is JAMB Biology 2017, and the question goes thus. Use the diagram to answer the question that follows. This is the diagram we're going to use. The question is, the excretory organ of an earthworm is represented by the first eye. The first figure eye represented in the diagram is a flame cell. And this is a specialized excretory cell found in the simplest freshwater invertebrates, including the flatworm. Figure II is the kidney, and this is one of the excretory systems in human. Okay, while figure II is the nephridium. Excretion in earthworm is performed by this long and thin coiled tubule known as nephridia. It is found in all segments except for two. They are the small microscopic coiled tube with a thin wall, which is glandular and vascular. Okay, so option C is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.